Good afternoon. Good afternoon. First I'll introduce myself. I'm Kevin Couvreur. I'm a ConXion Experience Center Director for ConXion. What's in a name? I am responsible for the day-to-day running of our Experience Center in Waregem. It's a location we use to welcome our customers and partners to start an innovative journey, looking at new technology and focusing on all possibilities for creating business value with technology and innovation. Today I'm here to talk about one of our business cases we did for Dierendonk. For those who don't really know Dierendonk, it's a family-run business focusing on craftsmanship and meat. Currently, the company consists of 4 stores located in Belgium. They have a production facility in Flanders. They have 1 restaurant on the coast, and they have a large e-commerce platform currently for everything which is merchandising related to the brand Dierendonk. It's an ambitious company, taken over by Hendrik Dierendonk from his father a few years ago, and the ambition is in the next few years to double the number of stores and to open a new restaurant in Brussels. So the ambition is really big. Dierendonk contacted us to check and to validate if there are possibilities for us to aggregate and to create more visibility on their current systems and specifically their data. From the mantra, think big, act fast and start small, as Dierendonk is a SMB, a smaller company, they're not currently in the possibility of investing large sums of money in a solution. So we set up a scenario, a 5-step scenario, where we would then look at the challenge that Dierendonk is facing, do an audit, look at the recipe and the tools we would use to provide a solution, focus on user adoption, and then validate the outcomes together with our partner Dierendonk. The challenge. As I said before, Dierendonk is a fast-growing company, and they have retail systems, they have sales information, they have inventory, stock, VMS information, and they have production information. And with a lot of small SMB companies, the information is stored on various systems in various places, and they were looking at us to provide them with a system that could give them more visibility and would aggregate all the data and give them new learnings and to see if there's new possibilities that they could get from the data. With the idea that data is a new gold, it's a first step forward for that company. After we set out the challenges in that sense what they needed, we went to set out or conduct an audit with Dierendonk. And first of all, we looked at the system, what infrastructure is running at the company, what database systems are they running, what is actually in the company, and how are they using the systems, what are they using them for, and what data is in it. More importantly, we had to look at the common denominator for all the data that is in that company. We have sales data, which is very unique. We have a VMS system, which is unique, and then finding a way to connect all that data. From the point of view from ConXion, we always start with building blocks. ConXion has 6 building blocks currently in their portfolio. We have cloud, connectivity, services, mobility, applications, and security. With regards to the solution we had in mind for Dierendonk, we focused on building block cloud and on the building block applications. In step 4, we looked at the recipe being more looking at what kind of tools are available for that company. Keep in mind that Dierendonk is already a full cloud company. They're already running on Office 365 and already using the basic tools. So we looked at Microsoft Azure Cloud to aggregate all the data and to combine all the data in the back end. And then we took Power BI as the front end to visualize and make sure that all the data comes over in an, let's say, a very understandable view and in a very understandable fashion. As I said before, we have sales information, we have resource information, supply chain information, and financial information that we would have wanted to combine. As I said, we looked at the building block cloud. As it is a small company, and as they don't have large financial possibilities to invest in very high-end tools like, let's say, ClickView or anything else, we looked at the current ecosystem. And the benefits of cloud are there. So it's a very secure, it's a flexible platform, it's highly scalable. So with an ambitious company like Dierendonck, we know we can grow with that company and scale the solution to the needs of Dierendonck. We have continuity, we have backup solutions that are really simple, easy to use. It's a pay-per-use setup, so the client knows where he's going. He can start small and grow bigger. And all the resources that are available in the Azure backend give Dierendonck the possibility to do real-time data mining and really allocate resources in function of their data analysis needs. And most importantly, they have access anytime, anywhere, as long as they have internet connectivity. One step, the fourth step, is a really important step we found when we do business with our customers, with our partners, and it's user adoption. We really invest a lot of time in making sure that the customer really understands the solution that we put forth to them and that we implement it for them. We teach them, we show them how we built it, and we also teach them how they can manage the application and the solution. So if they want to add certain extra parts of information, add new data to that solution, we can help them, and primarily they can do that in a self-servicing module. If they need our expertise or if they get stuck anywhere, they can contact us and we will be the expert at that time. So it's not our ambition to put somewhere full-time on a daily basis in that company. It's more pay as you go, use as you go, service as you go. It's a very important step you really have to take into account. As I said, the fifth step in the whole journey was validating the outcomes together with the customer. So we verified that the analysis has been upgraded, so everything can now be done proactively. And for most, everyone has an analysis either on a store level, on a production level, and on a global level for management, which is really important. So now a store manager in Brussels has a view of everything that has been going on in his own store, but can correlate all that data with global information that is available in the solution. It gives Dierendonck the possibility to adjust based on the information and the feedback that they get from the solution that we have built. They can optimize their stock, they can optimize their supply chain, and they can optimize the way that people are scheduled within their stores. Growth, as they get more visibility on stock, on financial information, on production, they can manage their margins more easily and get a more, let's say, efficient revenue stream based on information and data they collect. And last but not least, we have the success. First of all, we have employee success, whereby the employee has more visibility on what is happening. And secondly, the customer experience will improve because a store owner, a butchery owner, it's not a butchery, sorry, I've lost the word. He can then, let's say, be more proactive towards customers and have more insights on what he needs to do to make sure that the stocks, the stores are filled correctly, that all produce is available for their customers. So as Dierendonck is a company that focuses on craftsmanship and quality, that's a really big and really nice outcome from the solution. The client or the partner was really happy with the solution that we've provided at the moment, so we're looking at a phase 2 and also looking at predictive analytics, which are possibilities that are available in the Microsoft backend. And we're also looking at aggregating external data in the data sets we have currently. So with predictive analytics and, let's say, aggregating meteorological data, knowing when it's going to be good weather, when it's going to rain. For them it's really important because they sell meat. People like to have barbecues. So now it's possible for them, and we're looking at the possibility to do automatic scheduling of employees, automatic stock and restock ordering based on data and analysis from the solution we have built. So in all, the takeaways for us from this project were: view your customer as a partner, go look at a project as a long-term investment from us as a company and from that partner, and really focus on building a trust relationship, whereby it's not only a product we're selling, it's a solution we're selling. And the customers or the partners themselves come to us looking for a solution, not for a product. Thank you very much for listening, and enjoy the rest of Meet ID. Thank you very much.